curves down your back, remind me of those railroad tracks, and we jump and look back in our youth. And the brown in your eyes reminds me of those morning skies, when the sun tried to hide behind the roof. The way those rivers flow in July keeps the lakes from going dry, and it reminds me of what you do to my angry heart. 'Cause you look like Oklahoma, and I'll keep you like I stole you. I thank God when I hold you, 'cause it feels right. You're the moon in Oklahoma, and I'm the night. You're the moon in Oklahoma, and I'm the night. When you say, and so on. Well, howdy there, pluckers. I've a sore fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another guitar lesson. This one is a Bryan song, which I've been requested to do several times now, and it's called Moon in Oklahoma. Okay, so I'm in standard tuning, but I have a capo on the 2nd fret. Puts us into the same key as Bryan plays this song in. Okay, so let's get started. It starts off with this sequence of chords. Basically it's a C, F and G shapes, and it starts off with a C chord, and you have to open up that 4th string, hammering that 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. Okay, so sort of, and you do it twice. Okay, got that? It's quite straightforward, yeah? Hit the bass note, strum, hammer, so hit the bass note, just repeats that bass note, strum, hammer. I got that? So it's, then we go to an F bar chord. It really needs to be an F bar chord because he tends to play, he likes to play the bassy end of the strings quite a lot, and to get the right sound I think it needs to be the F bar chord. Okay, so then back to the C, hammer, back to the F again, just a 1 hammer on that time. After you go to the F, come back to the C, single hammer, back to the F again, back to the C, hammer, G. Okay, and you repeat that whole lot twice. Okay, so slowly. So hammer starts on the bass note, so it's 3rd fret of the 5th string from the capo. Okay, you repeat. Okay, got the idea? Not too quick, it's a fairly slow song. Okay, don't rush it. Okay, then it goes from the G, it goes into the song, it comes out of that last one. Well, the goes down. Basically, it's the same sequence for the verse. Okay, so it goes down the back to. So exactly the same sequence for the verse, and it repeats it 3 times for the first verse. Okay, so comes out of the intro. Let's just do it. Let's do the intro and go through the verse slowly. Okay, we'll do it very slowly. Repeat. Comes the verse. Well, the curves down your back remind me of those railroad tracks that we we jump, not look back in our youth. Repeat again. And the brown in your eyes, those morning skies, the sun tried to hide the roof. And again, the way those rivers flowed you like, keeps from lakes from growing dry, reminds me of what you do to my angry heart. Right, now we're going into the sort of a bridge section, chorus section, call it what you like. Because you look like Oklahoma. Okay, that's A minor. When you go to chorus U, A minor, look. Look, G, like, O, C, Oklahoma. So that's A minor, G, C. And you do that 3 times. Okay, so you look like Oklahoma. And you do it hammer bit when you get to the C, okay? Look like Oklahoma, and I'll keep you like I stole you. And again, because I thank God when I hold you, because it feels F right. Simple F will do, don't have to do a bar chord, simple F this time. And open up that 3rd string, and lift up that 2nd finger and hammer into that 2nd fret on the F. He likes doing that a lot. Okay, he likes his hammers on that F. Okay, so coming out of this, out of the previous first verse, Angry Heart, because you, A minor, look like Oklahoma, and I'll keep you like I stole you, because I thank God when I told you, because it feels right. You're the A minor, moon in Oklahoma, so it's a bit slower, this bit. It's A minor, you're the A minor, moon in Oklahoma, and I'm the night. And you're the moon in Oklahoma, and I'm the night. And then it goes into the intro again. Off into the next verse, and it's exactly the same to play as the first verse, and the first chorus follows after. So you've now got everything you need to play the song. So we'll just go through this chorus bit again, coming out of the first verse where it goes into reminds me of you, what you do with my angry heart. Because you, A minor, look, G like Oklahoma, and I'll keep you like I sold you. And I thank God when I hold you, because it feels right. You're the moon in Oklahoma, and I'm the night. You're the moon in Oklahoma, and I'm the night. Into the intro, yeah? You got it? So there we have it, boys and girls. You've got everything you need to play the song now. You just repeat everything again with different words. Okay? So let's just go through the whole thing, okay, that we've done for you already. That's the intro, the first verse and the first chorus. Okay, here we go, and you're good to go. So here we go. Well, the curves down your back remind me of those railroad tracks that we jumped, not look back in our youth. And the brown in your eyes reminds me of those morning skies where the sun tried to hide behind the road. The way those rivers from July keeps the lakes from going dry. It reminds me what you do to my behind. Cause you look like Oklahoma, and I'll keep you like I stole you. I thank God I hold you, 'cause it feels right. You're the moon in Oklahoma, and I'm the night. You're the moon in Oklahoma, and I'm the night. boys and girls, there you have it. Thanks very much for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed that one, for you Bryan fans. Bye for now.